Today, I'll show you how to manage call recordings in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your current setup, understanding how to manage call recordings can enhance how you handle customer interactions and team training. Let's begin by enabling the call recording feature. Start by navigating to the settings area. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. From there, head over to the calling section and select call configurations. Here, you'll see an option labeled Allow Call Recording. Simply toggle this switch to on. By doing this, you ensure that your calls can be recorded, providing you a valuable archive of conversations that can be revisited if needed. Next, let's talk about transcription and analysis. This is a powerful tool that can save you time and offer deeper insights into your calls. To enable this feature, stay in the settings section, but this time go to recording and transcription. Make sure that the switch here is also turned on. With this enabled, HubSpot will automatically generate transcripts and provide AI-driven insights for your calls. This means you can easily review what was discussed without having to listen to the entire call, making it a tremendous resource for both training and quality assurance. As we look toward the future, it's worth noting that in 2020s and beyond, the need to manually press record for each call is becoming less necessary. Advances in technology are making the process more seamless and integrated, allowing you to focus more on the conversation itself rather than the mechanics of recording it. Now, let's talk about making phone calls using HubSpot calling. When you're on a call, you'll notice a record button on the call screen. This is where you can manually start recording if needed. However, it's important to be aware of legal requirements around call recordings. HubSpot is designed to automatically play a consent message if you're calling someone in a jurisdiction where recording consent is required. This ensures that you remain compliant with local laws, which is crucial for maintaining trust and credibility with your contacts. By effectively managing your call recordings in HubSpot, you can not only improve your record keeping, but also enhance your team's ability to learn from each interaction. Reviewing recordings and transcripts allows you to identify areas for improvement and recognize successful strategies, which can lead to better customer service and increase sales opportunities. In conclusion, by enabling call recording and transcription features in HubSpot, you're setting up a robust system for managing your communications effectively. Remember to always consider the legal aspects of call recording and take advantage of the insights that automatic transcription can provide. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to make the most out of your customer interactions. Thank you for watching and happy calling.